Yes, so my people, I say another better good morning turner for all around every area of the world and all around the corner. Yes, I want to let you know say my own name is Papa Jojo, and on top Good Morning Nigeria, channel 195 Wazobia TV, or top Star Time. Now I just come up to take another fitness segment this morning. But as we go this morning, you just have to see another gear at the hole this morning for this segment where we want sunshine this morning. And already, you just have to look and say, I want to meet up with this one. This one another gear to fine-tune your bicep and the tricep muscular structures on how you go this morning. But paravector, if you don't get with your hole, where we they call dumbbell, fitness dumbbell, or gym dumbbell, then just get water inside your bottle, or your rubber bottle, or bottle water. Then just follow up, try to do the way they go. As we follow the count, 1, like that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see this one, it's going to stimulate your bicep and your tricep muscle the way they go. And alongside, you're going to let out the ginger, the muscular structures, and all veins go there intact the way they go like that. And you're not going to let anything distract your focus and your attention. So you just make sure so you can't do it in the meet up with the movement of your hand the way you go. 3, like that, 4, 5. You're not going to stop. 6, 7, 8. This one are 3 laps of 8 rounds. And you will go 4. Like that, 5, 6, 7, then 8. This one are the medial opener to the lateral. Wait till the work of this one. This one are to help you work out the side part of your biceps muscular structure. Where they go like that. 3, you follow your count. 4, you don't go stop at all. 5, 6. The more you do them, the harder it go to get tough to you like that. So, but you don't go give up. You continue to go, and until where you feel try to relieve the pain. But how you tell relieve the pain? Sure, it's possible. Yes, it's possible. My people where they watch me for all around the corner, for even this we country where we dey so, I go let you know say the more you train, the better your body go dey loosen up to the exercise, and the pain go dey relieve from your body shape. So you don't go feel the pain because your body go down there used to the pattern and you go down there used to the system. So meanwhile, alongside, don't forget say it they help you build up the muscle where you require straight away. This one another program where they take on with your count 2. You go like that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one 7. Then you hold on. 8. Now, see what you do. Look the way I balance up my leg. My people, where they watch us, the way they go. You go like this. 1, like that. You push out. Don't forget, say, as you take her out, sideward and forward movement, back to the flexion arms of the shoulder. Then your hand go to feel the tightness, the way they go. My people, before we go, even they go now, I just want to let you know, say yes. Until tomorrow, until next time, until another day. But making I not forget say my own name now, the Holy Papa Jojo, or top channel 195 Good Morning Nigeria, start time. So until next time, me around the park my whole load, straight away we they go. Even as we they take and they go like this, now so we they take and come out from inside the studio. Until tomorrow. Bye bye. 1, 2.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.